Allusion, the art of subtle references in language. Imagine reading a novel where the main character is described as having a Herculean task ahead of them. Without explicitly stating it, the author has just made an allusion to Greek mythology. This subtle reference is a perfect example of our word for today, allusion. Word type. Allusion is a noun, meaning an allusion is an indirect or passing reference to something, typically in literature or art. It's a way of calling something to mind without explicitly mentioning it. Word history. The term allusion comes from the Latin word alluder, which means to play with or to refer to. It entered the English language in the mid-16th century. Synonyms. Some synonyms for allusion include reference, mention, suggestion, hint, and intimation. Antonyms. While there aren't direct antonyms for allusion, some opposite concepts might include explicit statement, direct reference, or overt mention. Examples used in sentences. Let's explore some ways to use allusion in context. The politician's speech was filled with allusions to historical events, demonstrating his deep knowledge of the past. In her poem, Sarah made a clever allusion to Shakespeare's Hamlet, which added depth to her work. The film's title is an allusion to a famous painting, setting the tone for its artistic themes. Without making any direct allusions to his opponent's scandal, the candidate subtly reminded voters of the controversy. The professor's lecture was peppered with literary allusions, challenging students to broaden their cultural knowledge. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing allusion with allusion. An allusion is a reference, while an allusion is a false perception or belief. Another error is using allusion when a direct reference is made. Remember, an allusion is indirect or passing. Mastering the use of allusion can significantly enhance your writing and speaking skills for the IELTS exam. It demonstrates a sophisticated command of language and cultural knowledge, both crucial for achieving a high band score. By incorporating allusions appropriately in your responses, you show the examiner your ability to make nuanced, indirect references, a hallmark of advanced English proficiency.